Update, Liza Soberano. Samantala may back naman itong si Liza Soberano sa dalawang journalism dito sa Inquiry Net and Bandera PH. Liza Soberano proved once again her strength and conviction. She makes two news sites, Inquirer, Tabloid Bandera, ate their words and do not miss the power and the courage of young female dreamer. Keep going, Liza Soberano. Sinupalpal nga ni Liza dito ang dalawang journalism hinggil nga dito sa kanilang pag-comment at umabot na nga ng 1.7 million ang views at ang daming nagko-comment. Ayon kasi doon sa dalawang journalism sa sites na sinasabing Liza Soberano pinagtatawanan ng mga bashers. Yun po yung parang comment doon at dahil nga dito marami ang nag-react hinggil nga dito sa fashion show kasama si Dr. Vicky Bilo sa kanilang Prada show at dito sa Milan. Press back naman ni Liza Soberano, what type of journalism is this? At Inquiry Net at Bandera PH. And you guys are straight up shitting on a young woman's dreams and the pursuit of clicks and comments. That you guys have more important news to talk about. Umabot na nga ng 3 million dito ang views sa post ni Liza at sa palpal doon sa dalawang journalism. At mayroong naman nag-react dito, accept the truth that you are no longer relevant unless may idea ka na down kang iba. Sinampal ka lang ng katotohanan. Waisit ka. Call them out, go Liza. At may nag-comment naman dito to unprofessional from Inquirer Net and Bandera PH. Your voice matters and you're making it hard. Remember, you've got the power to turn your dreams into the reality. Keep moving forward. We're here to support you all, guys. Liza Soberano. Go Liza. Chase your dreams. Walang mali sa pagpili ng kasiyahan. Others will never understand. It's always hard to say goodbye, and a lot will misunderstand our decisions. At the end of the day, our futures. Walang maitulong ang mga netizens sa pagbabash sa'yo. Huwag mo silang intindihin. Ang importante, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. And you deserve it. I hope this won't stop you. If one plan falls, then do not other plan and they try to make it come true. Then, no matter what happened, gawain kasi ng iba yan, kaya binabato nila sa'yo na hindi nila matanggap na ikaw ay nasa team careless na. And so sad sa mga fellow Filipinos sa pag-down ng dream ng isang Filipino. Hope is out there and risking everything and trying and new things that you've been shitting on the big dreams. Sending hugs. Hope. So, ayan po yung update dito. Nag-trending naman si Liza Soberano. At nakaka-proud dahil kasama nga si Dr. Vicky Bilo sa Prada show nila sa Milan.